The government has a secret, and it's not about protecting your wealth. It's about controlling it. Right now, over 130 countries are secretly building a new financial weapon. They tell you it's the future of money. They tell you it's safe. But what they are actually building is a digital cage. You've probably heard the myth. The government is making its own Bitcoin. When the digital dollar or the digital euro comes out, the real Bitcoin will die. This is the biggest lie the mainstream media is feeding you right now. Because central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are the exact opposite of Bitcoin. Let me show you the dark blueprint. CBDCs are programmable money. Imagine getting your paycheck, but the government programs it to expire in 30 days, so you are forced to spend it. Imagine trying to buy meat or gas for your car, and your digital wallet declines the transaction because you exceeded your carbon footprint allowance for the week. It is not money. It is a control system, total surveillance. They can freeze your life with the push of a single button. And this is exactly why Bitcoin was created. Bitcoin is the antidote to the CBDC virus. The government's fake crypto is centralized, permissioned, and easily censored. Bitcoin is decentralized, permissionless, and unstoppable. No CEO can freeze your Bitcoin account. No politician can print more of it. No government can put an expiration date on your hard-earned wealth. So, when they announce the digital dollar, remember this. They are not upgrading your money. They are upgrading your chains. Choose freedom. Stack Satoshis, and subscribe to Beyond Crypto to stay awake in a sleeping world.